Ladies and gentlemen, what I'm going to share today is completely my hard work and findings. I usually don't like to share my research work until and unless I feel the time's right. And with what I see in the coming future for the world, I believe now is the right time. So as always, if you haven't subscribed my channel, get down and subscribe right now. And then ladies and gentlemen, let's get started. Saturn and Jupiter are two biggest and outermost planets in our Navgraha system that have a lot to say about what's going around the world. Whenever these two get together or mutually influence each other, we can expect a series of events to happen. To prove my theory, I would like to take you to the recession of 1930, also called the Great Depression. Here, you can completely see that when it all started, Saturn and Jupiter were mutually aspecting each other. After 1930, we'll move on to the next recession, which was in the 1960, and it started due to high inflation. Here you can see Saturn and Jupiter conjunct in Sagittarius sign. After 1960, we'll move on to the next recession, which was in the 1970. It was in the United States and it started due to the monetary tightening of the US government. Here you can see Saturn and Jupiter mutually aspecting each other. From there, we'll move on to the 1980. Here Saturn and Jupiter were conjunct again, and this led to another recession. Conditions in 1981 were no different, and Saturn and Jupiter got conjunct again, which led to another recession. After that, we'll go to 1991, where loss of business and consumer confidence led to another recession. Here you can see Saturn and Jupiter mutually aspecting each other. From there, we'll move to 2001, where several events one after the other led to recession, including the 9/11 attack. Here, you can see Saturn and Jupiter conjunct again. Few years later, another recession started, especially in the Asia region. And here you can see Saturn and Jupiter were mutually aspecting each other. It ended in 2013, and in 2012 also Saturn and Jupiter were mutually aspecting each other. So ladies and gentlemen, in last few minutes I have given you complete data of all the major recessions in the world, and there was one thing common in all of them. Saturn and Jupiter were mutually influencing each other. And the current cosmic scenario is that Saturn and Jupiter are conjunct again in the sign of Capricorn, which is also the debilitation point of Jupiter. And they are going to remain together for a long period of time, with the few fluctuations here and there due to retrogradations. But they'll be together, or you can say they'll be near to each other for almost all of 2020 and all of 2021. So ladies and gentlemen, by now you must have got my point. Saturn and Jupiter are two very influential planets. Whenever they get conjunct or mutually aspect each other, a series of events happen. And because Jupiter is finance karaka, economy suffers. Guys, I believe the time for economy to suffer again has come, and there could be a major recession in the world for the year 2020, 2021, and it could last up to 2022 in some countries. And I believe dairy industry will be severely hit, and the prices of milk and other dairy products could go up. Labor class is suffering a lot in India, and I believe it will continue in the same pattern for about the early weeks of October. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope and pray that all of this goes away as soon as possible. But until then, stay safe. And thank you for watching.